Hello, and how is it going, everyone? Now let's go ahead and demonstrate exactly how the ammonia sensor works, the NH3 sensor on our equipment here, the NOx box, the NOx tester box, right? So one of the sensors that the equipment reads is this sensor. So your equipment isn't limited to just testing NOx sensors. It also measures other sensors, as you can see in the videos we've published on our page, on our YouTube channel, right? Let's move on to the ammonia sensor. So it's more commonly used here in Brazil for construction equipment, yellow line machines. For trucks, it hasn't been applied yet, but it's mostly for yellow line equipment. So if you work with earth-moving machines or harvesters, you might come across this type of sensor and you'll need to test it. Do that with your NOx tester, right? Always remember, whenever you're going to test, use the yellow input, which is for the downstream sensor. Always. For any reading you do, it's the downstream sensor, right? Now let's go ahead and carefully connect the equipment, specifically the tablet, to the NOx box device. Look, the connection's been made, it's blinking green. Now we're going to select the ammonia sensor test. It's right here. It's started and it's already checked that the voltage is okay. So down here, we have the graph shown here. The blue color is NO2 and the red color is NH3. The probe needs to start heating up, and when it starts heating, it will also simultaneously take the ammonia reading. After that, we check to see if the sensor is reading correctly, right? Okay, the reading has started. So we're getting an ammonia reading of 2 parts per million, and for nitrogen dioxide, we're at 23 parts per million. I expect this nitrogen dioxide reading to go down, right? But we've already seen that the sensor is reading. The sensor is really working. All good, everyone? Both for the ammonia reading and for nitrogen dioxide. So that's what we wanted to show you how this works. Follow our helpful videos on social media. And if you need anything at all, get in touch with us through our social media platforms as well. Thank you very much.